Okay, welcome to Smart Web YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to create series and also add your book to series on Amazon KDP after it has been published. So let's dive straight into it. Now you can see here this book has already been published, the Kindle version of it, that's the ebook version of it. So if you want to create a series or add it to a series, it's very simple. All you have to do is see these three dots, which is the debugger menu. When you click there, you will see something like add to series. When you click on add to series, you see something like new series and existing series, which means if you have an existing series that you want to add this book, you can click on select series. But if you don't have, you can click on create series. I already have an existing series which I will add this book to, but let me show you how you can easily create a new series if you want to. Now when you click on create series, now you have two options, which is the main content or the related content. Now this main content means that this particular series, the book is one of the primary titles in the series, that is the main book for you, but related content may have different title and also from different authors, but it's actually related to your series, so you can always add it there. But here, anything you want to add here must have the same author's name on this main content. So you can click on what main content if you want to create series. Now you see something like go to series setup, you click there, you can put your series title also, put your series title, but this description is also optional. You can leave the description, just put your series title. Now here you have what we call reading order. Now choose how you want to display titles in your series. Ordered. In this order, it says display numbers with title to indicate the book should be read in sequence. For example, if you have a book that that have part 1, part 2, or some books have first edition, second edition, you can use this as your series ordered. But if the book is not actually edition 1 or 2 or doesn't have part 1 or 2, you can click on ordered, and maybe you are writing a book related to health, and you know that this book is all about different health issues, so you just have to select on ordered. But if you are writing on something like, let me say, cancer, and it has part 1, part 2, that means this book should be on ordered because it has part 1 and part 2, so that when people want to go through it, they will first see the part 1 before reading the part 2 of the book. And after doing this, you can click submit. That's how you create your Amazon series. Now, but I have created a series already, so I'll be adding this my book to the series already created. Now the same thing, if you want to add it, you add it to, you click on add to series, add to series. Now it has opened. I have already existing series, so I click on select series. When I click there, I will see these are different series I've created already, and this book is related to health. Some of the books related to tech are here, the book related to children books are here, nature narratives series are here, and health matters. So this book is under health matters, so I'll click on this health matter. Now they will ask me if it's related content or main content. This book is alone, it stands out on its own, so it's not related to any content. So I'll click on main content, click what confirm. Now you can see that this has already been added. Is loading. Okay, let's refresh it. Then why? Okay, it has added already. You can see it is in review. Now Amazon have to review your series. After reviewing it, they will approve whole thing. So this is how you add your book to a series or create series on Amazon KDP. Thank you.